Hey everybody, this is John Olson with olsonbranding.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach about ClickFunnels and ManyChat and everything marketing related. I'm giving you my latest tools, strategies, and tactics I'm using in my business to help you grow your business and make more money. In this video, I'm going to give you an over-the-shoulder look at how to connect your custom domain to your ClickFunnels account. I've heard of lots of people having trouble with this process. It is a multi-step process. Therefore, after I take each step, I have inserted a pause frame so you can copy the step before moving to the next step. We will get through this together. Let's begin. Okay, we're going to actually take our first and second step together. So you go into your ClickFunnels account, go over to the little icon here where your picture is, click on Account Settings, step number 1. Then go over here, down here over on the left, you'll see Domains. Click on that. That is step 2. Now we're going to do step 3 and step 4 together. You'll see where we landed. Click on this yellow button off to the right, Add New Domain. Next page comes up, add your own domain name. We're going to use an existing domain. Okay, so step 5, you're going to come to this box here and you're going to get rid of the www and you're going to add the domain that you want to connect to ClickFunnels. Okay, this is the one I'm adding now. And then you just click on Add Domain. Now what it's asking for at this point is to connect your C name to ClickFunnels. So it's not that difficult. Pause. Okay, so now we're going to want to go to the place where we bought our domain name. Some of you might buy from GoDaddy. I bought one from Namecheap. So I go to Namecheap and I find my domain name right here, fbmcourse.com. Now, no matter where you bought your domain name, there's going to be a panel that looks similar to this. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to find the DNS name servers. All right, so in Namecheap, we go to Manage, and then this page comes up here, and here are the name servers right here. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to connect those to CloudFlare. All right, this is step 7. We're getting there. You're doing good. Now, step 8 is to go to CloudFlare.com. That's CloudFlare.com. Open up a free account. Once you get in there, you're just going to want to click on this button that says Add a Site. So you just type in your domain name, fbmcourse.com, and you click on Add Site. Now what happens by doing that is it pulls in all the DNS records. Now with this, you just want the free. That's all we need. And you hit confirm. Okay, so the next step now is we just want to go to the bottom of this page. We want to click on continue. You'll see the name servers here for CloudFlare. Here's name server number 1. We want to copy that. And we want to take it back to where we bought our domain name and replace the name servers there. So I'm going to do that. One is Becky, and this bottom one here is Earl. And I'm going to go and place them there, just like that. And then don't forget to click this little save button. When somebody searches for that domain name, now Namecheap is redirecting it to CloudFlare. So we've got it going that far. Now we go back to CloudFlare.
It's 3 o'clock.
And we click Done Check Name Servers. This could take a few seconds, up to maybe a couple of minutes. I'm just going to hit the refresh button. Great news, CloudFlare is now protecting your site. Took less than 45 seconds. Once we have success, we go to the DNS button, click on that. Okay, y'all, I made a slight error here. I had paused the video to go get a drink of water, and when I came back, I started going through the next process and didn't even realize that I didn't have the video on. So what I had to do is come back here and pick back up on this, but what I was going to demonstrate is already gone. So what I'm going to tell you is this. When you come to this page here, after you've clicked on DNS, you're going to look for, in the A section here, you're going to look for like your URL, like for me, it's fbmcourse.com. You may even see it in here twice. And if you do, what you want to do is you want to click on this X and you want to delete it. That's all you would do. You would click on this X and then you would delete it. All right. So that's just on the URL only. If you are redirecting your URL from, let's say you had it on Namecheap and then you were hosting it on Bluehost, for instance. I also had to come in here and delete anything that said Bluehost on there. All right. So that's what I did. Everything else, don't go wacky with deleting everything you see, but that should do it. All right. So let's pause for just a second while you do that, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, now that we got rid of those, click on the Add Record button. You'll see Type, go down to CNAME, click here, go www, do not put a dot after it, then put your domain name here. All right, don't put anything in front of it, nothing behind it, just like you see it. CNAME, www, and your domain name. Click on the Save button. Okay, the next step, we're going to hit Add Record. And we want another CNAME. We're just going to type in the @ symbol. In this section, we're going to type in target.clickfunnels.com, and we are going to click on Save. Now you should see those down here now. Okay, now that we've done that, what we want to do is we want to set a couple of page rules. And this is going to help us because there's lots of different routes that come into our domain name. There's HTTP, there's HTTPS, there's www, you get it. So by setting a couple of page rules, it's going to allow all those different routes to converge and come into our domain, and none of them will get blocked. Okay, so we're going to create a page rule right here. You're going to go www. You're going to type in your domain name and /*. Then come down here and click on Add a Setting. You click on the box there, Forwarding URL. Then we click on Permanent Redirect. Then we come down to this box. We type in https:// our domain name $1. It should look just like this. Click on Save and Deploy. We're now going to create a second page rule. So we go Create Page Rule, and this one's just the opposite. https://fbmcourse.com/**. Click on Add a Setting, drop down menu, Forwarding URL, Permanent Redirect, and we enter this destination, https://www.your domain name, and we click on Save and Deploy. Now you'll see both of them down here. Okay, so that's everything that you're going to have to do here on CloudFlare. So now we go back to ClickFunnels. and we click on I've done this step. It says, good job, you did it. FBMcourse.com is connected and ready to use. Okay, so the next thing we're going to want to do is associate a specific funnel with that domain name. So we come here and we click on the drop-down menu, and here is the funnel right here, Funnels and Bots Mastery. That's the one that I want to associate with, and I click on the associate funnel, and you see that I got a verified sticker right there. All right, so now you're going to want to click on the link, and you'll see here the default page. And in this case here, I am going to put the default page as the membership area. I'm going to click on Save. You see it's domain successfully updated. Of course, you're also going to want to make sure that the 404 page goes to whatever page you want it to go to, all right? So I'm just going to put that there for now, the same one as I had before. I'm going to go back and build a 404 page and then come back in here later and change that. And then the next real important step, you'll see the SSL. Hit expand here, and you definitely want to add SSL. And don't worry, this could take up to 24 hours to propagate. It says it can take up to 10 to 15 minutes before your SSL setup is complete. We will notify you once it is done. Okay, so now let's go check out the funnel, see if it's set up right. So I'm going to go up here. Funnels and Bots Mastery. And you'll see the FBMcourse.com order form. Changes to order confirmation, mastery access. You'll see my domain name is in all of these different pages, fbmcourse.com, and then they have the / and the page names, but they all have the, so I go down here, fbmcourse.com. They all have it. Okay, so now we're going to want to test the funnel, see if it's hooked up properly. So I'm going to go fbmcourse.com without anything in front of it. And of course, it comes up to the sign up page just like I wanted to. It's not secure yet, you can see. It's not secure. We got the SSL, but it can take up to 24 hours. Let's try typing in https www.fbmcourse.com. That works. Let's go http://fbmcourse.com. That works. If you received any value from this video, please like and leave a comment. Also, please subscribe and click on the bell to receive notifications about future videos on working with ClickFunnels and ManyChat. I have also dropped the link to my free course called Funnels and Bots Mastery, where we build out funnels and discuss 5 different ways you can profit using ClickFunnels so you can become financially independent. Thanks again, and until we meet again, stand tall, business pro.